Okay, the last example for 6-4 is solving a higher degree polynomial equation. When they say higher degree, they mean greater than 3, and all we know how to do up to this point is x to the 4th. But we're going to use the same thing we did in the last video, use a quadratic pattern, 4, 2, and 0. So we're going to say a is x squared and a squared is x to the 4th, and rewrite it like this. Again, we're going to use the magic x. So in this case, what numbers multiply to negative 45 but add up to negative 4? In this case, it's negative 9 and plus 5. So when we write a minus 9 for our first binomial and a plus 5 for our second, all we then do is replace for a, that's actually x squared. So x squared minus 9 and x squared plus 5. We can further factor the left side again. This is going to become x plus 3 and x minus 3. And the whole time here we're still equal to 0. So we're going to have to use some zero product property to find out what our zeros are from each of these binomials. In this case, the 0, we use the zero product property. The 0 for this one is negative 3. From here it's positive 3. From here we actually have to do a little bit of manipulation. So x squared plus 5 equals 0. I want to find out what x equals, so isolate x, bring the 5 to the other side, it's going to become negative 5. And then we're going to take the square root of both sides. The square root of a negative is going to become the imaginary number I. So it's going to become I rad 5. And remember, when we're doing this, the square root's on the right side, it becomes plus and minus, and that makes sense because there's two x's, so this is two answers. So our other two answers from here are plus or minus I rad 5. And there are our four roots. That's it.